Hi friends, welcome to Regrob.com, and today in this video we are at Sobha Indraprastha project, which is located in Rajajinagar, Bangalore. So now here we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. And this we have entered into the spacious living room. Very well crafted apartment with lavish interior decoration. As here you can take the view of living room. Now moving next. This we have entered into the guest room, skillfully designed. Here you can see the wardrobe section. And this is the bird eye view from bay window. Now here is an attached washroom with this guest room. Now we are moving towards the dining hall. So this is the dining room. Beautifully designed. And over here you can see the balcony. This is the exterior view from the 35th floor. And now we'll give you the view of modular kitchen. So friends, this we have entered into the spacious kitchen. Very well crafted, with fantastic interior work. And just next to the kitchen, this we have the separate utility area. And friends, this we have entered into the master bedroom of this flat. Spacious and beautifully designed. This is the balcony view. Over there you can see the wardrobe. And here is an attached washroom with high-tech bathroom fittings. Here is the common washroom. And this we have entered into another bedroom. Again you can see the room is spacious and skillfully designed with lavish interior decoration. And this is the view from bay window. Over there you can see the wardrobes. The spacious bedroom skillfully designed for the comfort of the residents. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat of Sobha Indraprastha project. And now we'll give you the view of the basic amenities provided in this project. So friends, we are moving towards the common hall, as here you can see. And now we have entered into the clubhouse of Sobha Indraprastha project. Here comes the multipurpose hall. This is the open area. The view from the top floor. Now we are moving towards the infinity swimming pool. So from here you can take the view of the swimming pool. beautiful scenic view from the top floor of this project. So the project is well equipped with all the basic amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents. Now we are in the lounge area. We are moving outside. So this we are giving you the view of landscape garden. Here you can arrange the large functions. It's spacious, and this is the way towards parking area. As from here you can see the parking area. And from here you can take the view of Sobha Mall. It's an under construction mall just adjacent to Sobha Indraprastha Phase 1. And just next to this mall, Sobha Indraprastha Phase 2 is coming soon. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.